How to add location on Ring app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add location on Ring app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Ring app. Make sure that you have the updated version of the Ring app. Then after you're on your Ring app, tap on the three lines on the top left. Then there you'll see no location on the top. You will see a small drop down button. Tap on that. After you tap on it, you'll see add a location option. Tap on add a location and then you'll need to continue. After you tap on continue, you can just choose what type of location it is. So I'll just choose business and then continue. Then you can choose what type of business. I'll just use education. Then you can type in an address. So just choose an address here. I'll just use this address. It's a really random address. So I'll just, put it in somewhere around here. Okay, that's fine. Then tap on use this address. Then you can save this address by changing its location name if you want to. And yeah, that's basically how you can add location on Ring app. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.